Hey beautiful people, welcome to another video. My people, before we dive in, let me confess, this cake you're about to see didn't start with fire and thunder. There was no earthquake, no dramatic mixer noise, no cracked eggs flying like missiles. I didn't even show you the baking part because sometimes in life, it's not about how you started, it's how sweet and fine you finish. So yes, I baked this cake quietly, like someone on a secret mission. The real wahala started when it was time for me to ice it because buttercream know the lie. You either respect it or it will show you pepper. Now watch me crumb coat like I was raised in a frosting monastery. My hand was steady, my mind was clear, but deep down I was like, God, I beg you. Let this buttercream behave. A lesson or two you're gonna learn here is that you can be cool on the outside and still be praying in tongues on the inside. Welcome to adulthood. I brought out my buttercream, soft and smooth, like well-behaved pounded yam. I didn't overmix it, nada. No be fight video, so there's no point overmixing your buttercream. I just folded it with calmness of a woman who knows her worth. Sometimes in life, you don't need to overdo. Just know your texture, stay cool, and you'll still be sweet. You see this part right here? This smoothing of the sides? This is where many decorators question their life decisions. One side will be smooth, the other side will be looking like the side of one bumpy expressway in the rainy season. But you just keep going, smoothing and spinning. Don't expect perfection on the first spin. Sometimes beauty comes with patience and second coats. Now let's talk color. I decided to go purple ombre because why not? It's giving royalty and it is the purple season in the lives of our positive vibers. It's giving calm and fine girl vibes. And guess what? I didn't follow any strict rule, I just flowed. Stop waiting for permission to shine. Whether you are bright pink or soft lavender, just glow anyhow. As I began to pipe the top, I felt like a whole cake goddess. But as usual, the nozzle decided to do shakara. First swirl came out pure art. Second one, it looked like a confused snail, but I didn't panic. I smiled like everything was going according to plan. Because sometimes you have to improvise with confidence even when you are winging it like a jam candidate. I stopped back, admired my work, and in that moment, I understood why decorators don't let anybody breathe near their cakes. One wrong breeze and puff, month of ego will collapse. Guard your peace like buttercream on a hot day. Not every wahala deserves your energy. So there it is, my buttercream cake. No drama, just vibes from simple ingredients to this edible elegance. All with grace, calm, and the occasional inner Thank you so much guys for watching. Before you go, tap that like button, drop a comment, and of course, share with that friend who needs a little sweetness in their life. I'll be back with more recipes, more fun, and more kitchen wisdom. Until next time, stay sweet, stay strong, and keep frosting your life like the masterpiece it is. Bye guys.